Making money with CPA marketing has actually been made easier and a lot more stress-free with the amazing strategy I'm about to show you right now in this video. And not only is this strategy a 100% free strategy, it's also a beginner's friendly one right now, meaning that even a beginner can grab hold of this, utilize this and start making money online. And before we dive right into the video of today or the strategy of today, if you are actually new to the channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you could go on to making money online, either with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing and other niches right now, or other ways to make money online. If you do like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that can help you out right here. You could also make sure guys that you do hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. With that being said, and no more delay of time guys, let's dive right ahead into the video of today. So for today's strategy guys, we're going to be sticking with this platform right here called CPAGRIP, and we're going to be utilizing a new platform right here called the Fliki AI also. Now this is a very cool AI tool guys that you can just simply go on to utilizing to generate cool and amazing video content right here. This has actually make video creation 10 times faster and simpler right now, as with this particular AI you can go on to turning text into videos right now. You could actually go on to utilizing other tools right now to convert text, blog posts, Twitter tweets, PowerPoint presentation files into cool and amazing videos right now in a matter of minutes. And the cool thing about this is that you could go on to sign up for free. You can actually go on to checking out the features of the AI tool. You can see you could turn text to video, ideas to videos, text to speech, blog to video, Twitter tweet to video and a lot more cool stuff. You can actually do the use cases right here. You can check out or explore this particular AI and you could go on to checking out the pricing structure. But right now guys, if I go on to logging into my account right here, as you can see, this is my account right now. Once you do log in, you'll be logged into or brought to a page that will look similar to this. You can click on create new file and you can actually go on to selecting the language right now. As you can see, you could just simply go on to selecting the language on English, select the dialect. You can actually go on to naming this particular file at something that is actually suitable to you. Maybe I can actually name this something like tutorial. And if I do name that right here, you also want to select the aspect ratio depending on the platform that you want to just simply utilize this video. Select a very cool aspect ratio right now. As you can see, this is for the square video, this is for portrait videos that are like TikTok videos and Instagram Reels videos right there. But the landscape right here are for normal YouTube videos right there, which are explainer videos like the one you're watching right now. You can actually do that right there. Maybe I'm going to leave this on landscape. You can actually go into selecting what you want to start with. Either you want to start from an empty file or you want to just simply start from an idea, converting an idea to video, a blog post to video, PowerPoint presentation file, Twitter tweet or a product to video. But I'm going to just simply start from an empty file. Once I click on submit right now guys, it's going to go on to taking me to a very cool and amazing page right now where I just simply need to go on to creating my content right here. As you can see, I'm being brought to this page. So right now guys, since I actually want to start from an empty page, I need to actually have a script that I want to go into converting into a video. And to do that right now, I just simply come onto platforms like ChatGPT to go on to getting the script I want to convert to video. So you can actually see right here, I gave ChatGPT a simple prompt and asked ChatGPT to write an article on the 7 fascinating facts or 7 fascinating things about ancient Egypt. ChatGPT actually went on to writing or doing a great job for me right now, and basically I can just simply convert this text into video. You want to just simply copy the text, but what I'm going to do right now is just simply copy the first 2 paragraphs right here. So if I copy this first 2 paragraphs so as not to make the video too long for you guys right now, but if you want to do yours, copy the entirety of the text and head on to Fliki AI, come on to this section that says start writing, paste that in right here, and Fliki AI is going to do an amazing job by splitting that script into various scenes and also selecting a very cool video that actually fits in that scene based on the script in that particular scene. You can see right here that my script was actually split into 3 scenes, and you can see right here this was the video selected for the first scene. You can play that right there. You can actually check out the video for the second scene right there by actually clicking on the second scene and wait for this to load. You'll be able to see the video right there for the second scene, and you can also see that right here in this section. You can actually go into checking out the video for the third scene, and you can actually see right here from the videos we saw earlier right now, they are actually looking quite related to the ancient Egyptian videos. And if you don't like that video right now, you just want to click on the video for that scene, select that, the page is going to run to loading up. And once the page loads up successfully, you'll be able to see a lot of cool videos you can actually go on to utilizing right now. As you can see, these are all videos related to ancient Egypt, which you can just simply select. Some of them are actually quite locked right here, which is why you want to just simply register for a paid plan to gain access to that. You can also go on to checking out for images and GIFs. You can actually go on to generating one yourself and checking out your favorite. So if you do select one right there, that will be actually changed. We will actually change the video of this particular scene right now. You can actually go on to utilizing that to go on to checking out other scenes. As you can see how cool this scene is, and you can also go on to checking out how cool this scene are. These are actually videos of ancient Egypt, or videos related to Egypt right now. So once you are done, you can actually go on to checking out the voice for that particular scene. Maybe you want to change the voice of the scene, or the voice over right there, the kind of voice. You want to just simply select that particular name, and you can actually see different voice over or different types of voices that you can just simply go on to selecting. Select one that is suitable to you. You can also preview that via the section and just simply filter that based on language, dialect, gender, and voice style right now. So once you are done, you can actually go on to adding background music. If you do add in background music, you can actually go on to checking out the Magic Create, and these are all stores where you can create videos from idea, blog post, PowerPoint presentation file, Twitter tweets, or products. And right now guys, you can go on to the settings section. You can also go on to change editing the gap between scenes. You can actually convert this to just audio only, but I'm going to leave it as video. But you can actually change the aspect ratio once more here again. Once you are done guys, you can actually save your settings, click on download, and you can actually start clicking on export to export the video and download the video on your device right now. So once the video has been downloaded on your device, next thing which you want to do is to go on to grabbing hold of our CPA marketing platform we want to just simply utilize right now. And we're going to be utilizing a very cool strategy for that. You want to go onto the CPA marketing platform right here. Maybe if I'm using CPAGRIP right now, I can actually go on to clicking on register, and if you do click on register, you want to follow the basic procedures to go on to creating your account. Provide your basic details right there on the fields available to you and get an account created before then going on to logging into your account. So right now guys, once you do log into your account, come onto this page right here by clicking on the offers option in this section. If you click on offer tools, select my offers option that will be shown to you on the drop down list. Get onto the page such as this, and you can actually go on to filtering these offers right now to all countries right now. So once you do filter this to all countries right there, as you can see, the offers are actually loading up. And once they actually do load up guys, you can also go on further to filtering the offers based on gift card right now. If you do search for gifts right here, it's only going to show you offers that are actually having the word gift on their title. So take a look at these guys. These are all offers that are actually having the word gift on them on their title right there. You can keep on scrolling through and you will find out that they are all gift card offers. Click on payout right now. You'll be able to go on to seeing that it's going to filter your offers from the highest paying offers to the lowest paying offers. You can see this is the highest paying offer that pays about $10.27 right there for every successful lead. You can keep on scrolling through. You'll be able to see much more offers right now. Select an offer. You can see more details to the offer. Copy the link to the offer right now and create a landing page. You want to just simply promote as many offers as you can from different countries right there on your landing page, which you can create with Google Sites, breezy.io, systemy.io, or you could even go on to using Linktree right now to actually create that quite easier. If you want to just simply create that guys, maybe are finding it difficult creating that, head on to my channel OJ Marketing. Click on the search icon, go on to type in landing page, and if you do type in landing page right here and click on enter guys, it's actually gonna take you to the section where you can actually see a lot of videos I created for you on how to create simple landing pages right now. This one shows you how to create a high converting landing page with breezy.io, this with systemy.io, also this one with systemy.io, this is with Google Sites, and the list keep going on and on. Check out all these videos to create cool and easy landing pages that can promote multiple CPA marketing offers, and you can then just simply grab the link to that particular landing page, head on to this platform right here which is called the QR-code-generator.com. So if you come onto this platform right here, as you can see the domain right here, you want to just simply paste that link right now. Is what's going to happen that your link will actually be converted into a QR code right now, and you can then just simply select the frame. Once you selected the frame, download this particular QR code onto your device right now. Once the QR code has been downloaded, you then want to just simply go on to utilizing a video editing tool. Now you can actually do the video editing tool I'm utilizing right here. This is an editing tool called Video Pad. So if I come onto this platform right now, what I'm going to do is just simply click on add files, and I can actually then go onto my channel right now on my download section to upload this particular stuff right now, which is the video that I downloaded from Fliki AI, and also the QR code I actually downloaded also. So guys, once that has actually been inserted right now, I can then just simply go into the file section, the video section, and you want to just simply select that video right now, drag and drop the video. Supposing this is the video right here, I'm just using this for instance. If this is the video, you then want to just simply head back to the image section, drag also and drop your QR code. So you can see the QR code has been added right now. You want to stretch this to actually fill out the entirety of the video. Once that has actually been done, you also want to just simply go into reducing the size for the QR code right now. So once the size for the QR code has actually been reduced right now, as you can see right here, you want to just simply drag that and go on to dropping that in this particular section right here. So when that has actually been done, you can see how cool that actually is right now. You can then just simply go on to right clicking on this, adding a text right now, and that text should just simply contain something like scan QR code for a free gift card. And if you put in something like this right here, maybe I can actually go into reducing the size right now of this text right here. Supposing I do click on that and reduce the size so that can actually be easily seen. You also want to go on to doing the same thing right there by dragging this to actually fill out the entirety of the video. And once that is done right here, you can see that both the QR code and this particular text is actually there right now, showing on the entirety of the video. So what you want to do next guys is just simply to go on to exporting the video in your device. And if you do click on export right now, export video file, and you want to just simply select the location to which you want to export this and just simply click on create, the video will be exported and downloaded on your device. So once that has actually been downloaded guys, you can then just simply head on to any social media platform of your choice to upload the video, be it YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, or as many platforms as you can right there. Just simply go into as many social media platforms as you can to upload that video, and then promoting that particular video, uploading the video, you're just simply going to be driving traffic to your CPA marketing offer also, because you're actually promoting offers from various countries right now on CPAGRIP. Because on that your CPAGRIP landing page, which you're actually going to be creating, you just need to get offers from various countries right there and just simply add that to that particular page and also indicate the countries right there. And this would be a very cool strategy in making a lot of money right now with CPA marketing. And I do hope the video was helpful. If yes, do hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.